Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant long loading screen easy and quick. First, click here and go to background apps. Now turn off this option and then go back and click here. Now go to view advanced system settings. Then once you're here, you will find performance, click settings and then adjust it for best performance, and I prefer to enable these three options. And then click apply and OK, and then click OK and go back. Now after that, open task manager and then click on memory to see application that use your memory, like Google Chrome or any other application that you don't need while playing. So just end all tasks here that takes your memory, and then just go back after ending all tasks that may take memory from Valorant, and then go ahead and try again and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.